Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Mommy C and I'm alone today. Juliana is here. Woo! I'm not alone today. Guys, I make this video because I received a box from a friend and then she gave me this kind of facial equipment because she really thinks about me for my facial. I just received last 2 weeks ago, no 3 weeks ago, but I don't have time to open. But today I have time to open and then I will open it. How's my mic? I don't have holder. I need to. Julia, you can help me. Okay. This is very heavy. This is heavy. I need to do that. This is unboxing, guys, unboxing. You don't need to see the brand because this is secret. We need to open. This is papers. And brochure. You need to read before you use this product. And then first, wow, what's this? This is Lumispa.
So you are going to have a spa?
Wow, I will have a spa. And then Galvanic Spa. And this one is moisture, means this is also for face. No!
Gucci.
This is for, not for kids. Lumispa, that this is for your face cleanser. And facial gel. And this one is, I think this is for face too. And Radiant. I don't know how to read English because I speak Norwegian, you know. I have a problem of my English. My English is gone. She's gone. This is for eyes. Ideal Eyes Activating Eye Cream. This is for your eyes, baby. Eyes, baby. How many I got? 8 pieces. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is the biggest one, and then I need to read this paper how to use this kind of system content. 1 device, 1 silicone head. Uy, may silicone ha? 1 charging base, 1 power cord, 1 power plug, 1 start guide. And I need to read this guide first. So I just opened because this weekend maybe I will try this because, you know, I'm very busy. Busy for my monkey business. Wait! Don't do that. And then for our next video, I will show you how to use this machine and then we'll see if it's working in my face. This is not for kids, baby. This is for adults, okay? No need to hear because it's nothing. Okay?
Awesome!
So guys, to my friend who ordered this package, I am very thankful. This is not a sponsor, guys. This is just a gift from my friend, and then I will use it in my face. Baka gaganda tayo dito, di ba? Uy, Julia, it will fall down and it will break. Come hit. Give it to me. Baby. Oh, di ba?
It fall in the garbage.
It's fine. It's not broken. This is in the package. So don't be mad. Don't be sad, baby. Makulit kasi yung anak ko. My daughter is very makulit. You know what is makulit? Garaon ka. You are garaon ka. And I hope guys if you enjoy watching my our YouTube, so please follow us, subscribe, watch, and like our videos. Makulit kasi itong anak ko eh. Siya yung nagpaano sa akin kung gagawa daw kami ng YouTube. Kasi we are going back to Philippines and then we'll stay there. And then she will move her school. So she told me that we can have a YouTube because Mama is not working anymore. Mama is working here. So Mama had no time to have a video with our YouTube. But in Philippines, Mama is free. So para nang Rayna si Mama niya, meron ng time mag-edit-edit. What? Huh? I will earn money. I will go in the street to earn money. I will beg.
The toy shop.
Hoy, to buy some toys. Okay. So we'll end this, guys, and then see you in our next video showing how to use this facial equipments, facial machine. I'm thankful to one of my good friend who sent me this ubot for me. So I will show you next video, guys. Have a nice evening, everyone. It's evening here in Norway. And then stay safe and God bless you all. Shoes and a kiss.
Awesome!
Where is my kiss here? I really don't know my kiss. That's not. Oh yes, that is our kiss. Bye.